All right, so you've heard me talk a lot about the Apple MagSafe battery pack and how helpful it can be, especially on a cruise and things like that. But the thing you might be concerned about is the limit on its juice, on how much it has to keep your phone really charged or up to date. So I have a little hack or a little trick here to show you guys. We're gonna use the ESR. This is a magnetic battery pack, not MagSafe, but it has about 10,000 milliamps of battery. But the beauty about it is it has a port for USB-C. So basically, if you're out and about, you can use this like a power bank. Just plug it into there, plug it into your MagSafe battery pack, and you'll notice it's getting a charge. Now you can use this at 15 watts instead of 7.5, have it attached to your phone, attached here with MagSafe, using true MagSafe, and you can be charging your iPhone to 100% using 15 watts. Same time, you can use the magnets on here to charge another phone. So you basically can have two devices charging at once. So instead of getting one of those big bulky battery packs or bulk chargers, you can use this tiny one, which magnetically attaches to your devices and has a USB-C port, so you can be charging them both. And that way you don't have to worry about the MagSafe battery pack running out of juice, and you can be charging it and the iPhone all at the same time. So that's just kind of a little hack, a little trick on how you can use the MagSafe battery pack when you're out and about, long days, 2 days, whatever it is, and utilize both devices at once that really don't take up much space in your pocket or in your bags. So wanted to give you guys that little hack and another trick on how the MagSafe battery pack can save your battery, because if you use this directly on your phone, it's going to get hot and it might ruin your battery. This way you're still using it to safely charge your phone, and it uses MagSafe. So you got any questions on that? Let me know in the comments below. I'll leave you links to all this in there as well. And make sure you follow me here and subscribe so you can catch me later with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.